Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Calculus problems like this implicit differentiation question are actually super fast to solve if you stay focused. Let's find the derivative together right now. Start by differentiating both sides with respect to x. Use the product rule on the left side to get cosine of y minus x times sine of y times dy dx. On the right side, the derivative of pi is 0, and the derivative of negative 2y is negative 2 dy dx. Now we just need to group all those terms. Move all dy dx terms to one side and factor them out. Dividing gives the final result matching option A. You nailed this one. Well done! Scan the code to learn better with Sovi. Watch signs carefully and trust the steps to avoid a rush.